welcome back to Ice Funny Videos. Hope you guys are enjoying your new school year and making a bunch of friends. Now that festival season has come, we start to make cakes, cookies, and pastries, and more desserts. And so today I wanted to teach you one of my favorite cookies recipe. It's called Chocolate Crinkle Cookies. The reason I like this cookie is because it has a brownie-like texture inside once it's done cooking. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. All-purpose flour, white powdered sugar sifted, unsweetened cocoa powder also sifted, unsalted melted butter, baking powder, some salt, 1 egg, and some more granulated sugar. And at last, some vanilla extract. Since this is a really simple recipe, I recommend to start your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to mix our all-purpose flour, our cocoa powder, our salt, and our baking powder. And we're gonna whisk it. For the next step, we'll need an electric mixer, and we're gonna mix our butter and our granulated sugar. We're gonna mix it until it's fluffy and light pale. That should take around 3 minutes. This is how your mixture should look once it's ready. Now we're gonna add our egg and our vanilla extract. And we're gonna mix it a little more. This is how your mixture should look once you're done mixing the egg and vanilla extract. Now we're gonna add our dry mixture to our wet mixture. And we're gonna use our electric mixer again. This is how my mixture looks once I'm done adding the dry mixture. And I've put my powdered sugar on a plate because we're gonna roll the cookies in them. You get a little bit of dough and you make it in a ball. Then you roll it in the powdered sugar and put it on your tray with cookie paper and give at least a 2-inch gap for them to bake. My oven is ready and so are my cookies. We're gonna put them in the oven and cook them from 10 to 12 minutes. Please ask an adult to help you put your cookies in your oven, otherwise you will burn yourself. I asked my mom to poke a stick in our cookies and nothing stuck to it, so we took our cookies out. If something sticks to your stick, then leave it in for a few more minutes. I'm gonna let them cool down for a few minutes and then we get to taste it. My cookies have cooled down. Time to taste them. They're so good.